let's embark on an adventure.
Is it time for adventure, Matt Jackson?
It is.
Here we go. Big Ben Bus Bash 5. This is proof that we have no brains.
No, this is exactly.
I mean, this is the true proof that we have no brains. It really is.
And you get to watch us with no brains for the next few days.
Yeah, watch it. Watch our attitudes change as the days tick by and the problems. Jake already had the baling wire out.
All right, let's do
roll.
this. Oh. What is that?
Hey, I added 40 horses to Boomer, a little tune-up, gave 40 extra horsepower, Matt Jackson.
So it's dual motor. It's like a
Dual
Tesla,
motor. Yeah.
Tesla.
It's a mid-engine Volkswagen bus.
We're on a 1,000-mile trip to Big Ben. Right now we're in Fredericksburg, which is a small town west of Austin. We've got about 170 miles. We're in Del Rio, Texas. This is about our 4th gas station so far.
Morning, Matt Jackson.
Good morning.
Welcome to beautiful Marathon, Texas.
It is beautiful.
It is a beautiful morning. Everybody slept here in the alley here in Marathon.
Yep.
Next to our buddy Dan at Sandy's place. And man, it's just somebody asked earlier, hey, what time is it? I'm like, I have no idea, man. That's the beauty.
Yes.
That's the beauty of Big Ben time. Which means there is no time.
Time slows down here in Marathon, I think.
Yes, it does.
We had a few issues on the road up here. I had issues with
Issues,
fuse.
really? That's an issue.
We didn't have any issues.
No, we didn't have any. Yeah, I had a terrible issue. My hubcap fell off. I hit the rumble strip and it went zinging up. But Bela saw it go out into this farmer's cotton field, and we all spun around and went back and recovered my hubcap.
It was 11 hours of driving.
11 and a half hours from when we left to when we got here.
400-ish miles.
Yeah, at least maybe 4,000.
So,
but I mean, a lot of that. I mean, we stopped for lunch and gas ups, and so we're not. The whole optic's not to push yourself or your bus, man. We're just doing this, so that's kind of the point of that.
Yeah, our host here, Dan Picasso, he's got a beautiful 11-window bus.
Yes, he does. He has a beautiful bus. Stick with us, man. We're enjoying Big Ben life, and today the adventure awaits. Rumor has it we might be going to get into a natural hot tub.
Let's do this.
Matt Jackson goes, do I have to bring my bathing suit? I said, no way, Matt Jackson. I'm going swimming in my ball-balls.
There's children around. Please, you're going to scar them for life.
Hey, you know what? Don't look, kids. I'm here with Paul and Gerhard from Germany. We're getting ready to head down to the Big Ben Park, and these guys are just now leaving the park. Tell us, Gerhard, what do we have here behind us? Tell us what this is, man.
We call it Expedition Mobile.
Expedition Mobile,
yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah,
it's like a Volkswagen bus on major steroids.
Yeah, this belongs to Volkswagen, you know. It's called MAN.
That's a Volkswagen. They do own that.
Yeah,
That's right.
Yeah,
so it is a Volkswagen.
It's a Volkswagen.
It is. So Paul, tell us about your travels, man. What all y'all been doing?
Oh, we have been all through United States on our beautiful rig. We call it Emmy.
Emmy, okay.
Emmy's the name.
Awesome. Dad's not letting you drive yet too much, huh?
I'm not too old yet.
That's awesome. Well, we just want to say thank you guys for being on VW Live today. And I mean, this is what it's all about, meeting folks and coming out and being outdoors. And we're so happy you guys are here and doing this. And it's a pleasure to meet y'all very much.
Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you very much.
Take care. Huh?
This is it. Where are we, Gary?
Big Bend National Park, baby. We made it. Nice. Woohoo! Not as easy as when you were 12, huh?
Sir, get off the signage, sir.
If you like what you see, join us on these trips, join us on these adventures, and like, comment, subscribe. Join us and we live that VW life because we want to hear your stories just like you want to hear us, and kind of get this thing going for everybody. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Oh yeah, right on camera. That's why he was barking.
What'd you have for lunch over here, old man?
Some ham, cheese, spicy pickles, some green sauce, and green tea. That's kind of a green thing going on here, green theme.
You think we've only been out here for a few days? We're already cutting our pants, getting ready for the summer season.
It's so good there.
You're insane.
So this is the definition of insanity, because we already know what this is and we're doing it again.
Is this the world famous Camp Taters?
This is a world famous Camping Taters, Matt Jackson. This is an Alexander Krausen tradition since the beginning of time. On the Coleman with some Crisco, cube your potatoes, salt and pepper liberally.
This episode brought to you by Crisco. Apply liberally.